Hey guys, today is March the 12th of 2013. I haven't done a video in a while, but I wanted to show you what are my thoughts on the euro. So let's get right into it. But before I do that, just want to let you know this is an educational video. Please consult professional advice. I'm just a guy that looks at charts, trend lines, Fibonacci levels, spiral levels, and just gives you my thoughts. With that being said, let's get into the charts. Look at this price in time with the high of the 1st of February. It's right at the 3 by 1, and it's just dancing in this area. As you can see, price has just been chopping away, and now we just created tomorrow, which is the 13th, and it's below this angle, so it's not looking good. It's been testing this 3072, cracking it sometimes, but then hitting the 100 simple moving average. You got the 20 right here, and you got the 50. So this is just one chart, and you got the 200. So it's not looking good if it can't get above this 3 by 1 within price and time, and it's just starting right here with the February 1st high. So that's that level right there. What else I want to show you? My monthly grid. I haven't shown this in a while. This is where I show you back here where the resistance was here, and this is 61.8 of that 3052. It pierced it this month, and it's just struggling. It's just chopped. You got support down here at this strong angle of like 2904ish. So that's that. Let's see what else I want to show you. Let's look at my 5-year price and time. Nothing there. Might be the other one. This right here. 6-month. Look at all this chop right here. And look at this angle, which is finding support. And it's just kind of like over here. This is a 50% level, which is at 30.54. Still struggling there. Let's see what we have here. 2-year. Another base right here that is finding good support. That 29.68. This is really strong. It just pierced it and here and there, but it's just finding support. So it might go right back down here and test it again and then go up there. Or it might just go sideways or just crack down. But I got my eye on this euro because this is a range. It's a big, wide range, and it's building pressure. And it has to go somewhere. It's not going to, it can stay here for a while, but it's going to go somewhere. It's either going to go up, sideways, or strong to the downside. What else I wanted to show you? Let's see. My 2-year. This is 38.2 Fibonacci level. That 3046 strong level also here too. Let's see right over here. My 20-year price and time. This is Andrew's pitchfork, and this is a level I'm still watching. It hasn't gone down there yet, but I keep my eyes on it. Let's see over here. 3-year. And look at this cluster. It's just a spiral level here. Actually, an arc level right here. And this is 61.8 angle, Fibonacci angle. And it's just choppy right there. Let's look at the, let's glance this chart and see what we got on the euro. We're still below the cloud. It's in mobile band right here where you see this, let's get closer. Where you see all this mobile band in the red, that's just chop mode, just pure chop mode. You're just getting chopped all up if you think it's going up and down. You got the 100 right here. You got the linear regression line, which is right here, which is 50. You got Woody's pivots on the weekly, PP, and R1, R2, R3. And this is a monthly, PP. And linear regressions line are pointing down. You see the purple, the big red. You got the Tenkin that it pierced it up here, but now it's below the Tenkin. The Cajun right here, flatlining. You got the 20, the 50. So pretty much chop mode on the daily. Just pure chop mode. The future on the daily, just looking bearish every day. The cloud is just growing bigger. And Chiku still in the cloud, and you got some support right here, a lot of support, that 2982, and that's why it just keeps dancing around here. We need to crack this level, and then the next support will probably be around here, and maybe the 50 on the weekly. If we go to the weekly, same thing. This is where I think price is going to go. This is where I kind of have a feeling it's gonna go, but sometimes you can't go by feelings. Same thing, chop. Chiku. One thing you want to see is that Chiku, it's already catching up to the weekly price. And if it can't pierce and penetrate this and keep going higher, and it starts going lower, it's gonna get really ugly. Definitely is gonna go down here. You're below the 20, the 50s right here, the 100s over here, 200s, so, and you're still in the cloud. And linear regression line, you're below it. You know the 61.8 is right here. That 3047 is still failing it, so you're in trouble there. On the monthly, nothing really has changed. You know, you can find support over here at that 28.75, but it's just still in chop mode. Let's look at the big picture and see what's going on over there. Maybe we could get some better insight. Big picture is composed of a monthly, weekly, daily, and the 12-hour chart, which to me is like a 5 minute, and the daily is like a 1 hour. So we're going to go backwards this time. Look at the 12-hour. Look at the chop mode. You're in between the 356 simple moving average, the 20, and the 200, with the low and the Fibonacci level right here. You got mobile band showing that the pressure is building to the upside. You're in chop mode right here. You got the CCI 50 and the 20 that came out of zoom mode, and you got the 5 that snaps up and just keeps dancing, hitting the top and just pulling back. And you got a cluster of Fisher sell and buy signal. You pierce the 50 level, and now you're gonna go crack it up to the top side. You're building a squeeze play from the 8th all the way to today, and this is a squeeze play. This pressure building up, and it looks like it wants to go up north to the top side. You're above on the TTM shortwave. On the daily, still chop mode between the 100, the 20, and the 350. 256 simple moving average. You got a new moon that just came here on the 11th, and then you got the equinoxes coming on the 20th. No TMA buy signal. You got a green MOBO, MACD divergence building up. You got a snap signal, still in zoom mode. The 20 looks like it's sticking out, but the 50 is kind of borderline there. You got mixed signals here. Divergence building up, divergence on TTM. And the weekly, I have nothing on the weekly telling me this is a change of trend, so you got to be very cautious. And MMG is building a long hockey stick. Hockey sticks, I learned this from the great late David Elliott. Sometimes when these hockey sticks are really long, the pressure could, if it goes up north, could be really strong. You got TTM below 0. You know, nothing bright blue here. Everything is just dark going down. Nothing pointing up on the Fisher. It looks like you just chop mode here in the weekly. Mobo negative. TMA negative. Monthly hasn't changed a bit either. TMA's is still sell. Positive on Mobo, but not telling me much. Just the MACDs are turning down. The darker green. CCI embedded pointing down. We got two signals here. I'm waiting for that green one and then that purple one on the monthly, and then it's going to look really ugly. But as of right now, just those two signals. MMG below the 50, setting up like a miniature hockey stick on the monthly. Nothing negative on the squeeze. Still yellow pointing up, and still positive. I mean, in trouble on the monthly, but nothing below the 0. So nothing negative here. So pretty much chop mode right here. Look at this chop. You think it's going up, it's going down. You think it's going up, you get chopped down. You think it's going down, then you get chopped back from up. So it's just chop mode. I want to show you now because Thinkorswim made some updates. Now I can have my 7 indicators. So now I gotta like switch it and go and create another one, and just so I can have my thermal. And this one pretty much keeps me in the trend. And what color is that? Red. So I still have some. I just had to take the MMG out. Swami intraday impulse red. Swami predict red. So pretty much chop mode. Just still waiting to see what's it gonna do. What's the direction? It's gonna be interesting this week. There's a lot of cycles building up, and would like to know where this thing is gonna pop so I can write it. Hope all you guys like the video, and I'll keep you posted on future things I see. Peace.